not just the LGBTQ community, but anybody. Very true. You know, anybody who's going to get to experience their prom. It's just
River Junior High,
those experiences and trying to
Junior, Senior High, Bassmasters hold information meeting June 10th at 6 p.m. at RRHS Vocational Building. If all the students entering the 6th and 12th grade. City Way is now closed until further notice about ramp on City Ways. Due to the high river water, no position will be posted when the ramp reopens. Due to the high water project closed, the boat ramp on the River Crappie Club will be moving to German Black Lake this Saturday, June 8th. Registration rate in the West Ramp. Registration to 5:15 to 5:45. Flyers be submitted to full. Advance at 2 p.m. Sunfish with 9 million meat. No more 8 poles per boat. Travel will be allowed. Justin Keefe or Evan Runners
What QCOM has been able to do and what Street Pride events and others have demonstrated in Shreveport is that those events can be safe. They are safe. Of course, we do have security at our events to make sure people feel safe in that way. But really, safety comes from community and connection and being with other people. So I think that there's a lot to celebrate in that space as well. So while we're making sure that people are safe on the practical side, really it's the community aspect and a large group of people coming together that makes people feel safe, not just be safe.
Right. And I love that y'all brought that up, because physical safety isn't always what people are concerned about, right? You know, we're concerned about walking outside and someone is going to give us a dirty look or call us a mean name from across the street. Or, when you're just trying to exist. So what events like people do is not provide physical safety, but also just a space where people can come and feel safe to be authentically themselves. And it's not just LGBTQ people that come to our events. Our parents come. I mean, talk about allies in there too, but it's just the idea that the space in and of itself, you are safe to be your authentic self, whoever that person is. Right. So events like QCOM and of course like Field Day, really fun to invite the community out just to see that this is a community of people, not unlike yourself. We all have day jobs, we all have struggle, we all have our trials and tribulations, and to just eliminate the fear and gain some understanding, I think is really important.
Yeah, and really what's been great, I'm glad you brought up Field Day, because the community around the park that we do, AC Steer Park, has really embraced Field Day, and they are coming out, they're bringing their lawn chairs, maybe they're not playing the games, but they're shopping with the vendors, and that's, I think, what Street Pride does really well, is we build community, not just for the LGBTQIA plus community, but for the entire community of Shreveport, Bossier, Northwest Louisiana.
Right. Well, it's an awesome event. So it's going to be this Saturday. For more information, obviously, you can go to shrevepride.com. Guys, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary, Nicole. I love it.